Hey y'all, so today's video is slightly different because we're on vacation. We're on the vacation that we planned for, that I've been talking about in the last couple of Stuffing Sunday videos, but I still wanted to get this out. And just because we're on vacation doesn't mean that our journey to financial peace stops, right? So I'm gonna do it real quickly so that I can get back to having some fun with the family. All right, so as usual, we're gonna start with our joint account, and then we're gonna move into the personal stuff. And forgive me because I'm in the car, so I'm gonna have to reach down every now and then. I'm also going to change a couple things around this time, only because we're on vacation, but I'll talk about it when I get there. All right, so restaurants. For restaurants, typically we have a little bit of money left over, and then I roll it and put it into our school sinking fund. But because we're on vacation, I decided that we would use whatever money we had left over in the restaurant fund to use to eat out before we started touching the vacation money for food, to save us a little bit, and whatever is left over in the vacation fund afterward, if anything, will go on to the next vacation. So there's nothing left in the restaurant fund. So I'm going to go ahead and to fund that. Okay, so first I'm going to put grocery in. Now we do have some money left over in our grocery category, and that is because we did not go grocery shopping this week since we were on vacation. A whole lot. So we bought some stuff to go on the trip, but not a whole lot of stuff. So there's $44 left there. So that's gonna go into the school sinking fund. All right, so big girl, her aftercare, again, because we're not paying for it this summer, is gonna go ahead and go into the school fund. The babies, also because we're not paying for them right now, that's gonna go into the school fund. So I'm just putting it in here into our sinking funds. Date night, which gets $75, that's gonna go into my wallet and add to what we have left there. So this is the kids' allowance. I let baby girl buy what she wanted to prepare for this trip, so she had $1 left, and that was for her savings, so she really has nothing left. And then my son, he'll get his money. No, I'm sorry, that was eating out money. So this is eating out. This is yeah, that's our $100 for eating out. All right, so here's our allowance money. This is big girl's allowance. She also went on a vacation before this week, so she didn't have any money left over. So that's for her. Baby girl, her $10. My son had $2 left over, so this will go into his sinking fund, and so now he gets $10 for this week, or this pay period rather. And then baby girl's gymnastics, so that goes into her gymnastics fund. And since I'm in her sinking fund, I'm going to go ahead and add her $1 to it. I'm going to add my son's $2 to his savings sinking fund, since I already have it open. So that's it for the joint account. And now we're going to go into our my personal money. All right, so gas, that's this money here. Because we've been here, I have not had to use all of the gas money. So I have $75 left, and that's going to go into my car fund. And remember, I use this car fund for whatever comes up for my car, whether it be new tires, oil change, maintenance, or what have you. I know eventually my car is going to give out on me, so I hope there's enough money saved in that car fund to eventually buy me something at some point. So I'm going to stick this $75 into my car fund. This is my phone money. Again, I still save $80 for my phone bill, even though it is only $50 a pay period. My tithe money. This is my miscellaneous money. So I bought my dad his Father's Day gift out of my miscellaneous money. My husband and I decided that we were going to use our vacation, our anniversary trip, and this family vacation as Mother's and Father's Day, so we didn't get anything for each other. But I have $12 left in my miscellaneous fund, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to my personal sinking fund. And this is the $50 that I add to the eating out budget. All right, so now this is finished sinking my wallet, or doing my wallet. So now I'm going to go into my sinking fund, and this is the part where I said it's going to be slightly different. Okay, so typically I will put $100 into our vacation fund and $100 into my friend's wedding fund. But because we're here and I want to make sure we have enough money to spend, I'm going to go ahead and put all $200 into the vacation fund. And I think we'll have enough because vacation's almost over and we haven't really put a dent into the cash that we had set aside. So there was about $900 set aside, give or take, that I had in here. And I believe we still have about $500 or $600 left over, and that's after paying for water park and everything else. All right, so that's that. So $53, that's going to go into my personal fund. And I told you last time that I'm thinking about, instead of buying me a new bag, just using this money to pay down my student loan, but I'm not sure, so I'm still setting it aside. So $23, that's going to go into the birthday fund. My son's birthday is tomorrow, so we'll end up spending this money on his birthday. $22 is going to go into the Christmas fund. $22 is going to go into the car fund. $22 is going into the school fund. $22 is going into home repair. And $22 is going into the doctor fund. Now, because we used our doctor fund to pay for my daughter's emergency room visit before, our fund was pretty much empty. I have to have a surgery procedure on Tuesday, and that was not planned for. So we'll end up having to take that out of our baby emergency fund to be able to fund it, because the copay for that is $125, and our doctor fund doesn't have that amount in it because we used it. All right, so that's it for this Stuff and Sunday. Let me know how you like these videos, if I should continue or what have you. And until next time, journey on.